Hey guys, I wanted to hopefully help some of you out for a front end shock job on a 2000, well actually it's 1999 to 2006 and 2007 classic Silverado. Wanted to show you what I use. So 21 millimeter wrench, 16 wrench, and a 14 wrench. I did use an extension, vice grips, 22 millimeter, 21 millimeter, 15 millimeter, and a 14 millimeter. And of course the impact, not needed obviously, you can use ratchet, but just makes things easier. And I wanted to show you the shock, just to see how it comes apart, so you got a good idea of how that works. And I'll show you around here. This bottom nut and bolt are both 21 millimeter. Then you can get to this top nut from here, you know, spend a little patience, put the vice grips on there, and a wrench, prefer a ratcheting wrench, I don't have one. I got lucky, I was able to come up here, put my impact on that nut, and just zap it off really quickly before I was able to spin that on the other side as well. This side is where I use the extension though. It's down there pretty good. That nut right there, the shiny new one. Yeah. Another thing you're going to need will be a jack and jack stand. So I lifted the front end up, set it on the jack stand, and for some odd reason, the kind of the limit for these Chevys are the shock. So everything, this bolt hangs down a little lower than the shock, so you have to take the jack, put it on the bottom here, and lift it up to be able to align this bolt up. I ended up putting that in first. It just seemed easier for me. Then I lined this up so I didn't have to try to jack it up and push it through the hole, kind of. Yeah, there's all that. To tighten the other one, I did have to put the vice grips on the top here, this little flat spot. I think it's like a 5 millimeter if you want to use a wrench, and I had to just crank on it. I don't have a ratcheting wrench, I didn't want to spend the money to buy one. But yeah guys, that's about it. It's a pretty simple job. Maybe I'll make a video for the rear shocks. I did see a video on that. I just didn't see a video for these fronts, so it was easy enough to just go ahead and make one real quick. Yep, thanks guys. Let me know if you have any questions or comments.